Morning students, myself Mithlesh Kumar presented in front of you. Dear students, today discuss about large numbers. Discuss about large numbers. How to solve such type problems. So dear students, please listen and watch the video. If you any problems, ask them anytime. Dear students, in these topics discussed today's comes just before. Write all three numbers ascending order, descending orders, greatest possible three digits numbers, smallest possible three digits number, four digit numbers. Such type questions today discussed in front of you. Now let us start how to solve such type problems. So dear students, please watch the video. In first questions, question numbers 11. Write the number coming just before the given number. 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. Write the number just coming before. Write the number just coming before. 4, 2, 6, 7, 7. The number comes before 4, 2, 6, 7, 7. The number comes just before 4, 2, 6, 7, 7. In this way, please make use such type problems. Write the number coming just after the given number. Write the number just coming after the given number. Just coming after the given number. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Just coming after. That means 8, 7, 6, 5, 5. This is the just coming. This is the just coming before number. In this way you make. And question number 13. What's the question number 13? The successors of the successor of 78,787 is 78,786. Now the predecessors of predecessors of 87,876 is 87,876 is 78,780. The successors of 78,787 is 78,788. And now the predecessors of 87,876 is 87,875. Now dear students, in this way make such type problems. This is the very unique problems for you. The successors of 78,787 is successors, that means plus 1. When you plus 1, then you get the successors of the given numbers. And the predecessors of 87,876 is now here predecessors, that means minus 1. When you get, and in this way you solve such type problems. Now question number 14. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. How to arrange the ascending order. Similarly, your questions 66,633. 66,633. 30. Now here only 33 and 8,001 and 2 lakh 5, 2 lakh 5, 2 lakh 5, 7 and 89 and 89 and 89. These numbers arranged in ascending order. How to arrange? Ascending order, that means a smallest to greatest number. Ascending order arranged in a smallest to greatest number. So here this is the smallest number, 7 is the smallest number. Now next number is 33. Now next 89. Now next 8,001. Next 66,633. 66,633. And now 2 lakh 5. In this way, dear students, arranged in ascending order. Arranged in ascending order. That means the smallest to greatest. Now question number 50, descending order. Descending order. How to arrange descending order? So dear students, in descending orders, I have taken examples 1,234 and 2,400. Now next 4,256. Now 976. 81 and 6. Dear students, these numbers arranged in descending order. Descending order, that means greatest to a smallest. Greatest to a smallest. Who is the greatest numbers? Here 1,234, 2,400, 4,256. So 4,256. Now 2,400. Now 1,234, 976, 81 and 6. In this way, you arranged in descending order and arranged in ascending order. So dear students, you make such types problems, large number to arrange in ascending and descending orders. We will discuss successors. Successors, that means +1. Predecessors, that means -1. Successors, when you find out the successors numbers +1 and when you find out the predecessors of -1. In this way, dear students, you find out the successors and the predecessors coming just after and coming just before. Coming just before -1 and coming just after +1. This is the form of successors and predecessors. Now, question number 16. What to say in question number 16? Dear students, write all the possible numbers of 3 digits from 8, 9 and 7. Write all the possible 3-digit number. This is very important questions for you, because such type problems coming in next classes. So at first, who is the smallest number? 7 is the smallest number. So you write 7, 8, 9. Now 7 is established in 100 place, and interchange into one sentence plus digit numbers 9, 8, and now second largest here 8. So you write 879 and 897. Interchange the one sentence plus digits number. Now here 978 and 987. Dear students, in this way you make all the possibles of 3 digits numbers. Now other examples I have taken 3, 4, 6. 3, 4 and 6. Dear students, who is the smallest number? 3, 3, 4, 6. I have taken. Now interchange the one sentence plus digit number 3, 6, 4. Now other largest number 4, 3, 6, 4, 6, 3. Interchange the one sentence plus digit number. Now 6, 6, 3, 4. Now interchange the digit number, one sentence plus digit number. So dear students, I hope that you understand. Make all the possibles of 3 digit number of the given digits number. Now question number 17. What to see in question number 17? Dear students, write the greatest numbers of 4 digits. Here 1, 0, 9, 2. Dear students, greatest 4 digit number. Greatest 4 digit number. Who is the largest number? 9. So you write out first. Greatest 4 digit number is equal to 9,210. When the ask the questions smallest, then you write 0, 1 to 9. No, this is wrong. What you say, you write here smallest. When you ask the smallest from these digits, you write 1, 0, 2, 9. This is the smallest 4 digit numbers of the given digits. Dear students, now such type many problems 896504. 896504. Make the greatest 6 digit number 2, 4, 6. So you write here greatest 6 digit number is equal to, here with the greatest 9. So you write 98650. When you ask the smallest 6 digit number of the given digits 4, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Now question number 18. What say question number 18? Dear students, this is the last question numbers of the related topic. Write the least numbers of 4 digits 8, 7, 6, 5. List number. List number is equal to with the smallest number 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the list number. And when you ask the greatest number 8765, that's okay. And last, write the least and the greatest using the given digits 41707. 41707 and 41707. Greatest and least. Greatest number 77410 and least, smallest number is equal to 10477. This is your answers. Dear students, today discussed about coming just after, coming just before, successors, predecessors, ascending order, descending order, greatest possibles 3 digits numbers, all the possibles 3 digits number, smallest numbers and greatest number from the given digits, 4 digits, 3 digits, 5 digits and 6 digits. All type questions discussed in front of you. So please make and completed exercise chapters 4 for class 4. If you any problems, ask them. Thank you, students.